So we're finally here, guys. As you can see, this place is called Lom Kalbari, which is located here in Mawthei Village. As you can see, there's a crucifix behind me, and Mawthei Village wants us to show this is just a portrait, guys, of the actual Lom Kalbari, which is located in a place outside Jerusalem called Golgotha. In Aramaic word, Golgotha means a place of skull, and the Latin word for skull means Calvaria. And many English Christians, they refer to the place of crucifixion of Jesus Christ as Calvary. So that's how Lom Kalbari comes into place. I will also be showing you guys the view from this place. It's very nice, guys, and I'm so happy and so blessed right now. So as you can see, guys, my little brother over here is riding the Dengsong. Oh, it's so nice, guys. And you can hear that right now my voice is actually very weird. Pan karo babang na Bhoi. Ni ko por ngadan mai na ang ne te I tip karukom kumno man rap use ing te hang ni in batay ko
ta shua bangin thung use ing dan kam ban ya kenton shua ya kabun dengan kalum dah bagi la dep kenton melong bun bisa thung use ing de dala dep thung use ing ni hap ruban ya thiu kan bat makin bat kibun hang ni begini berkat using ya hadian katukan benai ni saya banti using dalas dah bangin la yo ban ti using ne kapor entah kini di benai November bakut jong November la nes ha siteng jong Desember te nang ta bat dia ni lum ni kising bat ni ha banjit chua ya babha ni bu sembai bat ya bomlong bat dia ya di syayo ke aku tahi terkom rap sing
ta aku boleh sebut ta ni di image kan ni to keren deh tapi pihak lihat aku no mau you sing ba ong iwe ni kinong rap matan ru ba habia jet habia yu entah tak aja keren dia
2,000
years later.
To ni kapor imi impen I uno using ubabaha bat uno ubas ni te skumpa ban pun I to using.
Unia di using ubas niu ba bab knyang takadaw ni haban di no unia. Unia pede di using babha ni haban bu sembai u.
Terai kedua kan no I kinla.
Tadi ba ni kapor ba Kiudor kemut lah hajar steng lah hajar kedor jong sing Simon
haba kumentapat ba kimla ti kimle kum dapat
yang mentangi hak ban bu syahaki jaka kiba laj ngau slap naka sengi imbu hasem
publish buat. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Stay safe, take care, and God bless you.